Number 4 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer, the perfect choice for all LEGO enthusiasts and engineering enthusiasts alike. Get ready to take your creations to the next level with this incredible machine. Printing extensive and detailed LEGO models has always been challenging. The Sonic Mighty 8K boasts an astounding 28mm resolution, ensuring every intricate detail is captured flawlessly. You won't have to compromise on quality or sacrifice the small elements that make your LEGO creations genuinely remarkable. Not only does it deliver stunning prints, but it's also designed to be a workhorse. Equipped with a 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5cm dual linear rails, this printer boosts your productivity and efficiency. The mono LCD is built to last, offering enhanced durability and a longer lifespan. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, allowing you to place it anywhere in your printing space conveniently. Say goodbye to cluttered workstations. With solid dual linear rails and a thick T-plate, this printer ensures consistent success rates by minimizing wobbling and annoying layer lines. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.